Hello everyone, welcome to part 29 of Laravel 11 series, in which we are getting the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So we will continue working on the roles and permissions, and in this video we are going to set permissions for CMS pages module. So the admin will set permissions for the CMS pages module, like view, edit and access permission for to access the CMS pages. So that we are going to do right now, because up till now we have only done this CMS page module, so that's why we will set permission for CMS pages. Okay, so this is the last videos for roles and permission. So let's start. In the last video we have seen that we able to add the permissions in the admin panel. The admin can able to set the permission for the subadmins for the CMS pages, and now the subadmin, now this particular subadmin will log in and will try to access. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I will unset the permissions for John Singh. Means admin is going to give no permission of CMS pages to John Singh. Okay, so here I updated, and you can see now there is no permission to John Singh. Now the John Singh will log in into his account, but he must have no permission to access the CMS pages, and for that we are going to write code, some of the code, some of the pages, some of the function we are required to update. Okay, so we are going to open the CmsController and will update here the index function, in which we will check its permission. Okay, so we are going to set admin subadmin permission for CMS pages. See this complete code, I will copy this one and will paste here, and this is the thing that we are required to paste in every function. Okay, so here we are going to set admin subadmin permission for CMS pages. Okay, so if there is the admin, if admin is going to log in, admin or super admin is going to log in, then its permission is automatically set to 1, means the admin can able to access everything. And if there is subadmin, then we are going to check the subadmin permission from the database itself. We are going to check the subadmin id, and we are going to check the subadmin module, and we will check the access for that module, like the view, edit and full access for that particular subadmin for that particular module. Okay, so that thing, for that thing we are going to check in admin's role that whether that subadmin is having the permission for that particular module or not. Okay, so that permissions we are going to send to the admin, that particular module. Okay, we are going to send those permission to the particular module, particular blade file. So I'm going to open the CMS pages blade file, and here we'll add the permissions. So I'm going to show you, like these permissions I'm going to add, like the, if the admin is having the edit and full access, that he can able to edit the CMS pages. Okay, so this is the edit, first one is the edit CMS page. So this condition we are going to add if the subadmin is having the edit and full access. Okay, and if the subadmin is having the full access, then he can able to confirm delete, then he can able to delete add as well. Only the full access, only with the full access, if the subadmin is having the full access, then only he can able to delete any of the CMS page. So last one, the admin must have the edit or full access to update the status for any of the CMS page, like making them active or inactive. So subadmin must have at least edit and full access. So now, and now I'm going to open the dashboard, and here I'm going to show here that particular feature is not available. Then then we are going to redirect that subadmin to the dashboard page with the error message. Okay, so that error message we are going to add, after this one we are going to add this error message here, that the permission is not given for to access that particular subadmin, and that the error message is something like this feature is stricter for you. Okay, and we will also update the admin's role model in CmsController. Here at the top we will add the admin's role model, and also we are going to add the use auth. So now we will try to log in. to the subadmin, I will use the uh, Ignito window and will try to log in from here. Okay, I'm going to log in to the John Singh account. Okay, so John Singh, we have updated, the admin have updated the permissions for the John Singh. Okay, John Singh does not have any CMS pages, roles and permission, no CMS page accessed. Okay, so John Singh must not able to see the CMS pages, not able to access the CMS pages. Okay, so the John Singh will log in and he will try to access the CMS pages from here. Okay, he will try to click on the CMS pages and then he can see this feature is restricted for you, means John Singh not able to open that CMS pages, and John Singh will try to open from here, and then once again you can see this feature restricted for you. John Singh is not able to open the CMS pages module at all. Okay, so it means that it is working fine, and now the admin will give access to the John Singh. Okay, so let's give access to the John Singh by the admin give full access to the John Singh. Let's see if the John Singh able to open now, and yes, John Singh able to open the CMS pages right now. Okay, so the John Singh can able to add the CMS pages from here. I'm going to add one of the CMS page like about us, about URL, about us URL. Okay, and testing, some description testing, and click on submit. The URL has been added, you can see. Okay, and let's add some another URL by G John Singh. Let's add terms and conditions, some another URL. All these static pages we are going to add from here. Okay, so here test, once again I'm going to add. So now see, two of the pages have been added, and now see, it has been added. Now the another permission, the admin is going to give the only view access permission. Okay, will not give view and edit access. So now in this case only the subadmin can able to view but can't add and edit. Okay, so here you can see that he can't able to edit and delete and update the status, but here also we will add the permission at the top as well. He can only able to add if he will have the edit as well as the full access. Okay, if he have the edit and full access, then he can able to add the CMS page as well. So we will add this condition here, and if. Okay, so another condition we have added here, and now we are going to check that he can't able to add the CMS page as well. See, now the John Singh can only able to see the CMS pages. He can't able to add, he can't able to edit, he can't able to update the status for the CMS page, he can't able to make them active or inactive. Okay, so this is the John Singh profile. You can see the John Singh, and now the admin will give the view and edit access. So now the John Singh can able to add as well as the update, but not able to delete, but other access the John Singh will able to get. Let's see, let's refresh this one, and now you can see the John Singh able to get here the access of add, edit as well as the status update, but not delete. Okay, delete access is still not there. Okay, and so okay, I have opened the too many pages and I'm going to close one of the page, so that's why. Okay, here you can see the John Singh able to get the edit as well as the update status and add as well, because the John Singh is having the view as well as the edit access. So now the admin is going to provide the full access. Now the John Singh can able to delete as well. Let's see, let's refresh, and you can see the John Singh can able to delete as well, delete CMS page as well. So the John Singh is now having the complete access. So like this we can able to manage. Now once again I will make it inactive for all the modules. Now the John Singh will refresh here to update anything, and he straightway redirected to this dashboard. This with this feature is restricted for you. So now the John Singh will not have any kind of access of CMS pages module. Okay, so I hope that this one is very much clear to you. We can open sidebar and remove these unwanted data. There are much unwanted data, we can add one by one. So we can remove much of the unwanted data here, like layout and functions, all these kind of things. we can add these inside bar whenever we will add any module. Okay, at the time of adding the module we will add, keep on adding, so we can remove right now. Okay, this is the all unwanted code that we can remove from the sidebar because it will just confuse us. Done. Okay, so now I'm going to save. Fine now. Okay, so pages management and admin management, these two modules we have added so far and it's working fine. Okay, so you can check. Okay, so it's working fine. We will continue this series in the next video as well, and you can join as well as subscribe channel. So please open the youtube.com stack developers, this is the channel name. Please subscribe the channel for more Laravel and MongoDB updates. Okay, simply click on the subscribe button to subscribe the channel so that you will not miss any episode, you will not miss any chapter, any video. And please join the channel to get the complete source code of the earlier series, not this one. This one you will get up till this video if you will join as a member, and you will get the complete support as well. Okay, and for the all the earlier series you will get you will able to get the complete source code if you will join as a member. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.